This is brutal power wrapped in an elegant machine.
In this video I'm just going to take you through notes, which can be found under the horse profile and in the sub menu here, notes. If you want to add a note, you can click a new note there, or also from the add anywhere button. Same process. And within the notes you can capture trot up information, feed, temperature, weight, any gear, as well as whatever text you want to add in. You can also add in any attachments, so if there's any reports or anything that you want to just have to store against a horse, you can do that there. All you need to do here is enter the information, a half pin, save. So that'll just sit there, and you can keep adding them as you go along. So if you wanted to track the weight, and the temp over time, you can do that. So the system will just keep track of the horse and how it's going. You'll see that when you add this in here, the profile also records the last information for each of those notes. So the last temperature that was recorded, last feed recorded, last weight recorded. And you'll also see this added into the lifetime view, which you can see here. So on Monday, there's the temperature, there's the weight, there's the temperature, weight, and this is a bigger note, but you can also turn some of that off, so you can just unclick that and you'll see there's the feed, there's the temp, and there's the weight. So this is just another way just to keep track of the horse as you go along. You'll also see that when you go into the reports that there are daily reports where you can, horse specific reports, where you can choose to do weight reports, temperature reports, trot up and feed, and that just basically spits out the detail of any horses that you've recorded that information for. So you can see here, this one here, it's got the weight. And obviously if you did it over more days, there would be more columns and obviously more information if you added it to the other horses. If you have any questions on notes, please don't hesitate to email us at support@prism.horse. I'll happily help you out.